Sup guys, my name is Andrew. I like to talk about men's health, men's grooming, men's fashion, and in today's video I would like to share with you 7 hard truths why people don't take you seriously. Let's get into them. Number 1, it's your tone of voice. You don't speak confidently, okay? You have to be confident and you have to speak in a confident manner. If I wouldn't speak confidently to this camera right now, you wouldn't probably even watch my videos. Like, that's just the truth. If I would be like slouching, "What's up guys, my name is Andrew and I want to tell you some 5 best tips to do," you wouldn't listen to those videos. You would not watch my videos. So you have to speak in a confident manner. No matter what you are doing, no matter what kind of thing you are doing or where you are, it doesn't matter. If you're not confident with the things that you do and with the things that you say, people are not gonna take you much seriously because you don't know how to talk much and you don't know how to display yourself in a confident manner, okay? You always want to display yourself and talk confidently, because if not, then people are not gonna perceive you as someone that has things together, that has a life together, that is confident, that they can rely on. So they're not gonna respect you and take you seriously. The second, one of the most important parts of getting the respect of others and how to make sure that others take you seriously, is your sense of style. If you have a bad style, if you're wearing, let's say, the clothes that your mother bought you and you didn't bought anything for yourself, you're not wearing anything that you want personally, then that's gonna be the major factor why you can't be taken seriously, okay? Like, in this age, I mean, if you're still a student or a kid, I get it. Maybe your family doesn't have that much finances. Maybe you personally don't want to really pay attention to this. But let me tell you, humans and people overall are judgmental, okay? We judge each other. This is just the world and the society that we live in, okay? We are constantly gonna judge each other. Like, when you step outside, people are gonna judge you, no matter what you think, no matter what they think. It's just how we are as human beings. This is just the way we are. I think that it would be better if we could like more judge people based on character, based on the things that people say. I think that would be much beneficial and more like useful, and if people could adopt that kind of mindset, it would be great. But I don't have anything against judging people based on their styles, because if you have the finances to develop your own personal style, then I think it's really crucial to have your own style, to wear what you want, display your personality, because with your style you're also gonna attract some people that they maybe have a similar style as you do, or they like your sense of style and would like to get to know you better, because they can now sense the way you dress, the way you present yourself, and it's just how it is. The third point that I have why people don't take you seriously is that you have a bad posture. When I walk outside in this age, at school, at work, in my city, people are all of the time, when I look at students, I'm doing this as well because I have to produce videos and make videos, but a lot of times those teenagers and those students are not even being productive on their phones. They're just constantly on their phones, slouching, horrible back posture, constantly like this. Maybe they're walking and they are leaning forward. That's not really healthy, okay? You are young and you might not experience any pains, but let me tell you, if you really want to fix your posture, okay, this is what you do, okay? You gotta stand up straight. I don't have a perfect posture, but this is what I need to implement as well, and this is what you should implement as well, and we all should implement. So you have to stand straight. When you're standing straight, then you lean and you move your shoulders back, so you have your shoulders back, and then you can also the head put more like back, because I don't have a perfect posture and I definitely have to work on it. I think in this society we have a lot of the times like heads forward, we like lean heads forward, but the neck should be straight in line, just like the whole body. The back, shoulders should be back as well, like this. Walk like this, okay? People are gonna perceive you better, people are gonna think of you more, and they will take you more seriously because you can stand normally. You're not slouching like some teenager and I don't know. So I want you to stand straight, and that's gonna help your posture, and people are gonna perceive you more seriously. Number 4, that's your skin and the acne. I know in this age it's difficult. People judge each other based on their looks, how they look in their face, and even their whole body as well, okay? So you want to be taking care of your face and your overall health, because that's gonna be one of the main factors why people would look at you differently. People are gonna look at you differently if you have a clear skin, okay? Thing is, they'll be more attracted to you, they'll probably respect you more, and they will definitely take you more seriously because you're able to take care of your body, you have the power to present yourself in a great manner. And I think that in this age, taking care of your skin, as simple as that sounds, for a lot of people it might be really difficult because maybe they're watching their face twice a day, maybe they're using some skincare products. I'm so thankful that I have those genetics that I have, because I'm not saying I have no acne, okay? If you look closely, like here you can see some pimple probably, but mostly I kind of have a clear skin, and that's thanks to my genetics mostly. I'm not using many like skincare products, I'm not using those things yet, but I would like to use them one day if I have the finances for them, so that I could protect my skin from damaging, and I will get older, my skin will still look great. And so I would like to protect my skin this way one day. You have to wash your face twice a day, okay? If you want to improve your skin, you have to wash your face twice a day, in the morning, in the evening. You have to improve your diet. The reason I have better skin than a lot of people is also because I care about my body, okay? I care about my body so much that I'm not gonna allow some junk foods or overall like alcohol, let's say, and all those things get into my body. And thanks to this kind of lifestyle that I live healthy, okay? I don't drink, I don't use any drugs, I don't eat junk food. Thanks to all of those things, I am healthy the way I am, okay? And I look the way I am, which I'm so much proud of. And I think a lot of people can learn from this. I think people should learn that, yeah, it's great to drink once a while. It's great to party once a while, to eat the junk food in the McDonald's and KFC. But ultimately, I think that eating healthy will improve the way you look. It will improve your energy levels. It will improve your overall lifestyle and your productivity. So I think it's just overall win. Everyone should try eating healthy for at least 1 month. And drink water, okay? Like, just drink the water. It's not gonna hurt you. And when you do that, it's gonna really improve the way your skin looks, and probably a lot of your acne will disappear because now you have a moisturized body, you have moisturized skin, and you will see a big difference in your skin. So try this out, and if it doesn't work, then maybe you are gonna have to invest in some skincare products. So that's the second part. First, it's your lifestyle, then it's that you have to invest in some skincare products, and the last one is that you're gonna have to see a dermatologist. He will analyze your skin and he will tell you if you have oily skin, because there are many types of skin. You have oily, you have dry, then there are those mixed ones. And if you have problems with your skin, I thankfully don't, so I don't have to go to dermatologist. But if I would have problems with it, I would have to definitely visit a dermatologist and let him analyze my skin, and then also let him prescribe some of the skincare products so that I could improve the way my skin looks, or maybe he would even suggest me changing my lifestyle somehow. So I think dermatologists are here for a reason, and they should help us get through bad skin and acne and all those skin problems. So don't be afraid to visit one. Number 5 is that you have a bad grooming. When you get into a puberty, like, you have to develop some kind of grooming routine. I'm so glad that I hopped onto YouTube and I found those YouTubers online that taught me this. A lot of people around me still have kind of bad grooming, and they don't know how to properly take care of themselves. Thankfully, I do, thanks to those YouTubers. I think having great grooming, such as shaving your beard, such as getting a haircut. Either learn how to do grooming yourself, or you can pay the hairdresser to do it. You don't have to worry about learning how to cut your hair, how to style it. Number 6 is that you are getting drunk way too often. What I can see is people getting drunk or people going to parties way too often. I'm not that kind of person. You can go on these parties if you have the finances, if you have the life that you desire, if you have everything that you want, like, go there, okay? That's your business to do. But if you go there and if you are happy with the stuff that you have, like, please don't get too drunk. You can get like drunk a little bit, you know, so you have a better mood. But there are people that are getting way too drunk and then they spit everything from their mouths And trust me, that's the most unattractive thing that is on this earth. If other people see you, how you are getting all of that alcohol out of your mouth because you drank too much, trust me, that's just not a great look. And nowadays, everyone has phones. If people record you, for example, and then they put it online, trust me, it's really not a great look. Then those people are gonna see it online, they're gonna gossip about you, they're gonna laugh at you, and it's really a tough position to be in, okay? So please stop getting drunk all the time and maybe reconsider and change your lifestyle a little bit. I think keeping it safe with alcohol intake is necessary to make sure that people view you more seriously. And the bonus tip that I have for you guys is that you don't stick to your goals, or you don't do what you said you're gonna do. This is also major factors why people are not gonna perceive you as someone that they can rely on, or they are not gonna take you seriously. Sticking to your goals and doing what you set to do is one of the most important parts and one of the most difficult tasks that you have to do as a human. But let me tell you, if you can do that, then other people will view you differently, okay? They will perceive you as someone that is reliable. They will perceive you as someone that knows what he wants, knows what he is doing, and you want to do the work you set yourself to do. If you don't do it, then how do you expect anyone to trust you? How do you expect anyone to respect you? Okay, you have to stick to your work. If you set a goal, you tell others, okay, this is what I'm gonna do this summer. No distractions, no alcohol, no parties. Then just stick to it and see what happens. You might not know what you can accomplish, okay, if you are able to actually stick to that goal and focus on it. Trust me, if you can keep the promise that you said you're gonna do and you actually do the work, then let me tell you, others are gonna really perceive you as someone that is reliable, and they're gonna look up to you highly. That's all from me in today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you can learn how to get people to perceive you more seriously and take you more seriously. And I'll see you in the next video.